entire story of the Anant idol actually starts from a dream at the place where the temple is and from here. The boat that belonged to the Muslim, that gentleman stayed near this mosque. This is a very historic mosque called the Surla Mosque, and we have done a program on this. You can go back to My Goem episodes on YouTube and see this. Very historic, and behind that mosque, there is a small little grave or a qabr belonging to the Pir. Pir is a saint, a person who had a very good heart, very saintly figure. Even today, the people of Surla, they take the procession of Shigmo there to seek his blessings. Ladies and gentlemen, the boat that the idol of Sri Anant was found was belonging to a Muslim from the place where this thing is. You can see the houses on the other side. And if you notice very carefully, this is River Mandovi. And we have got a lovely system that takes you from this side to the other side. 15 minutes going, waiting there for 15 minutes, coming back. So, next time, before you go to Anant temple, come over here. This is in the village of Savoi. The other side is Surla. And this point on the other side, the ferry point, is called a Surla Tar. Hence, that masjid and the Pir, that area is called as the Surla Tar Mosque. That one, ladies and gentlemen. And it is the people of Savoi Verem, they came over there, met him, and took his permission to go down on the boat. They found this idol. For you, ladies and gentlemen, the Surla Tar and the mosque.